There's so much cool architecture.
Good morning, guys. So today we are going to check out the sights of Da Nang and we are going to take you with us. So first things first, we have to find a coffee shop and get some coffee because we don't have any in our room and that's a top priority in life. So we are heading over to a statue that we can see from the balcony of our Airbnb and we'll show you guys in a second. And I'm not too sure of the name. We'll figure it out when we get there or we'll figure it out when we order the grab in like 2 seconds. But we're gonna check that out. And then there are a few other sites that we have to see while we're here in Da Nang, and it's a beautiful day. It's sunny, not a cloud in the sky, so we're really grateful and we're excited for today.
Yay. That statue right there. Story of my life, I forgot sunglasses again.
You want half of mine? I got the traditional Vietnamese white coffee. Give me a second and I'll let you know how it is.
Looks like a lot of milk.
Yeah. I honestly think they used to. Oh my god. The Vietnamese apparently like their coffee so sweet. That tastes like the most intense dessert I've ever had. It's so sweet, but whatever. It'll do the job and get me awake. So far, my experience in Da Nang is that it is such a chill, low-key city. It's right on the beach and it's honestly quite relaxing. We came from Hanoi and then we did the Hoi An loop. So we've been in some high stress level situations for the past week or so. Definitely a nice break to kind of recharge a bit. And yeah, this is a beautiful city. It's nice and clean. There's not a lot of traffic and you don't have to fear for your life crossing the crosswalks. But we're only here for 2 days. Tomorrow we're going to check out Hoi An, which is supposed to be fun to visit, so we're excited to check that out as well. But it's definitely a nice change of pace. So we have come to yet another Buddha statue. We'll insert the official name here, so if you're in Da Nang and you want to check it out, you can come. We ended up taking a grab ride here and it only cost $4 and I think we just had enough time on the motorbike, so we're giving ourselves a little break and tomorrow we're gonna hop back on a motorbike and explore. This is a beautiful, quaint, serene courtyard and we're gonna make our way around the temple and find the big Buddha statue that we can see from our balcony in our hotel.
Wow. Like, look how cool these are. I love bonsai trees because it looks like they're just a giant tree and we're just giant, so we get to look at them and they're tiny. I haven't seen any, but I read there's a lot of monkeys here. This one's riding an animal. And here is the giant Buddha statue. We see them. Alright, so we just got done at the Buddha temple and we are going to see if there's anything to see on the way out. And we're going to go find some lunch because we also didn't eat breakfast and we're really hungry. And it is a beautiful day, so we want to go maybe walk around the city center of Da Nang and possibly go to the beach or the rooftop swimming pool at our place later.
This reminds me when we took a break and sat on the stairs in the Uluwatu temple and then a monkey stole Matt's phone.
Yeah, let's go. Lunchtime.
Hi guys, so we are back in our hotel in Da Nang, and after lunch we just decided to come back here because Mr. Hamlin is not feeling too well. We have had sort of a stomach bug the past couple of days, so we're just trying to take it easy at this point. So either we will go out to a night market and take you with us, or it will cut to the footage for tomorrow when we go to Hoi An. So we will see, but for now we're just gonna hang out, go to the pool, relax. So for now we're just going to go up to the pool. I'll show you what that looks like, and hang out here, and we will see where the day takes us. But Da Nang is a really chill city. There's really not that much to do here. I think you could spend a couple days here and be satisfied, but it is a good change of pace. Like I said earlier, it's a good vibe here. Everyone's super chill and kind, and yeah, we're really enjoying it and also enjoying a beautiful day. So we're for sure going to head up to the pool. We'll see you soon.
Of course, I didn't catch them spraying water or the smoke. There is no longer any smoke, but they were just spraying water on that building. So interesting early afternoon in Da Nang. There's our grab.
Hi guys, so obviously we didn't go out in Da Nang last night, and we just had a pretty chill night in the hotel, and so we decided to combine our day in Da Nang with our day in Hoi An. As you can probably see, the sun's setting. We had quite a late start to today. So the truth of the matter is that we are suffering from some sort of mild food poisoning, and so we've just been taking it easy. We spent most of the day just lounging around and trying to recover. That might be TMI, but that's just the truth of full-time travel. It's not always perfect. So we're taking it easy, but we really wanted to come to Hoi An before we left, so we persevered and we're here. With that being said, we were going to take a motorbike down here because it's only like 30-40 minutes from Da Nang, but to save ourselves the trouble, we just took a grab ride here, so that was pretty nice. First impressions on Hoi An, we feel like we should have stayed here instead of Da Nang, just because this feels like a more centrally located town, so it's more walkable and there is just more things to do right in the middle in the center. Whereas in Da Nang, that's not really the case, but Da Nang's a really good place to go if you want to just hang out at the beach, and it's really chill. But I think Hoi An is more of a backpacker vibe. Unfortunately, we are leaving Vietnam tomorrow because our visa runs out.
Forcibly.
So this is all the time we have in Hoi An. I will definitely come back here because it's a beautiful city. It was an ancient trading port. There's just lanterns everywhere. I think that's what they're kind of known for. They have lanterns everywhere. They release them, they put them in the water. But yeah, let me shut up and let's go see Hoi An.
I do kind of really wish we stayed here because it's very similar to like a St. Augustine vibe. It's like a river port town, and everybody's just on scooters. The city is walkable. There's so many people just walking around and enjoying the evening. If we ever come back to Vietnam, Hoi An will be on the top of our list to stay in. There's so much cool architecture here. It's funny.
So we just stopped off at this cafe, mostly because Matt was about to pee his pants. So we just decided to get a tea while we were here, and look how cute! So I got a dragon fruit tea, and then Matt got a peach tea. And the sun is setting, so we have a pretty good view of it, and all the boats and people and bikes going by. So we're really happy to be in Hoi An.
Alright, so we just walked through the night market and purchased a deck of cards. Let's go. I've been looking for a deck of cards ever since we've been on a year of travel. I should have just brought one from the US, but I was like, nah, they would have one at any night market and it would be really cheap. But I have not been able to find a deck of cards for some reason. But I got one for 65 cents today, so pretty good deal. The night market was pretty fun. It is really fun walking around Hoi An at night because of the lanterns. It's just such a nice vibe of a city. Like, it's literally one of my favorite cities that we've been to when it comes to like the city itself. And there's like guys paddling people around in boats. It's just like a bustling little city, and it's only like 3 streets, so it's very walkable. The weather is absolutely perfect. It's nice and a little bit chilly. Thank you so much. So we stopped at this place for dinner. We're on the 2nd floor overlooking the river. I got some pho, which is basically just noodle soup with beef, and it's really tasty and I like it.
And I ordered some wontons, and this view is really amazing. So all the boats on the river have cute little lanterns, and I think it's so cool. This is the first time that we've been to a city where we wish we had more time, because usually when we find a city we like, we've had the flexibility to just keep extending. Unfortunately, that's not the case anymore because our visas do run out, and we're going to do a visa run in Cambodia. So we will be back in Vietnam in a week and a half. That's the tease. So if you guys are coming to Hoi An, send us videos, send us pictures, let us know your experience here, because we definitely wish we had more time.
Got myself some beef pho. It is so tasty. More tasty with this view.
You want to know how I know he's the one? Because I ordered wontons, and yeah, I really didn't want them. I wanted his beef pho that he got, and he switched with me. Thank you, I'm so happy.
But
That was cute, that was fun. It cost 10,000 dong, so like what, 10 cents?
20 cents, yeah.
Yep, polluted the river for 20 cents. I'm just kidding, they scooped them all out at the end, I think.
Still here.
It's my little guy.
Bye bye, little candle.
Alright, so that wraps up our time in Vietnam for now. Our night in Hoi An was so lovely. The weather was beautiful, the people were so kind, and that city is so aesthetic and so cute. We definitely wish that we stayed there like we said, and we'll definitely come back and stay there when we come back to Vietnam and visit. Not this year, but definitely in the future.
Absolutely. So for now, tomorrow morning we have a flight out to Cambodia, and then we will be headed to Vietnam again in like a week and a half for 3 days because of our visa troubles.
Yeah, anyways, tomorrow we're leaving, we're doing a visa run, and we'll come back to Ho Chi Minh. So we'll have more of Vietnam to share with you very soon. Oh, all in all, our time here has been wonderful, and we really like it here. The landscape is remarkable, and yeah, thanks for watching another vlog, and we will see you tomorrow for our travel day to Cambodia.
Howdy, folks.
This is your Mayor Buddy Dyer.
Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. Look at that. There's an ant that killed something, and it's carrying it.
And I ordered some wontons, and so yeah, like we said, this view is just impeccable.
This view is absolutely impeccable. Hello again. I'm here to talk to you